2016 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, carpeted floor mats, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.